Hello, my name is Ganna. The girls next to me are part of our wedding team. We are all from Ukraine. For more than 10 years, we have been doing wedding ceremonies and photo sessions for you in Egypt, Hurghada. During this time, we have organized more than 600 wedding ceremonies and several thousand photo shoots. It's impossible to count exactly. But now we need more work. Each of us has families who are right now in Ukraine. Not everyone can leave Ukraine. It is impossible to evacuate 40 million people. You should know, when you place your order in our company, you will get first-class service with the highest quality. And also, your money goes to help people in Ukraine. Thank you.
Hi, my name Tatiana. I'm client manager of All Egypt Wedding. Let me little bit introduce you part of our team. Alla. Alla provide wedding hairstyle service and makeup service. So if you will choose this kind of service, Alla will help you to realize your dreams. Svetlana is my assistant. We will be with you from the first moment when you just contact us. We will help you to choose the best options of your wedding ceremony. We will help you, we will coordinate you, and we will be with you till the last moment when you get your photo in the end of our cooperation. Thank you.